Oh shit. I'm gonna have to do.
Like most people in the UK, getting an NHS dentist is nigh on impossible. So I've decided to take the DIY route in sorting my teeth out. I need the plaque sorting out as I've got some black on there. I'll show you some pictures if you can brave it. And these are the things I've bought from Temu to hopefully improve my teeth. First thing I've purchased is a oral irrigator, which is basically a portable water flosser for cleaning your teeth. I've then purchased this, which is a plaque remover. It's designed to go along your teeth and remove your plaque. And once I've done all that, I've got myself a teeth whitening kit, and we'll see how we get on with those. So what I'll do is I'll open up the box. We'll start off with the oral irrigator. What I've done is I've put a link in the description so you can click onto these products if you find them any good, or if you think they're any good. So let's open up to see what this looks like. All of these items cost under £10, and a little tip: if you do buy off Temu, if you see the product you want, add it to your basket and just leave it for a couple of days, and all of a sudden you'll get a notification and it will give you quite a big discount. In some instances I've purchased items which have been like for £15 and then they offer you them for £8, so it's well worth doing that. So let's open it up and see what it looks like inside. See if it's any copper. So it's quite a okay, I imagine that's what you put the water in there. Got yourself a USB cable and looks like some little attachments here. I'll end up breaking my teeth before I get to clean them. There we go. So what have we got? We've got something that looks like a little spoon. No idea what that does. And we've got these, which I assume are the jets. Different types of jet there. So that's the irrigator. So what I'll do is I'll pop that on charge and we'll have a go and see how that works. So let's put these to one side. The next one we'll try is the flosser, the plaque remover. Again, this is meant to take stains off your teeth. So let's work out how to open this box. Slice down here. It's well sealed. Ah, here we go, there's a tear at the top. Looks like there's another box inside. So there we go. An electric teeth cleaner. So it's got different options on here. It's got 5 intensity modes, a cleaning spike. It's got CDMF mode, whatever that is, soft mode, stand mode, strong mode, super mode. It says it has a large battery. Let's take the seal off. Don't think I'll be going for the power mode to begin with. I don't like the dentist, so I'm a bit nervous about doing a bit of DIY dentistry, to be honest with you. So we've got alcohol pod there, instructions in the tiniest writing possible. This is the main attachment here. So that's like a protection thing on there. So that's what it looks like. Feels quite heavy actually. Quite feels decent quality. Doesn't feel cheap. And that's what I've got to put on my teeth, which I'll be honest with you, we're a little bit nervous about. We've then got, looks like there's some couple of spare blades there. Open this up. In the case, got the charging cable. Oh God, these utensils, they all look a bit, nice, feel nice quality. Got ourselves a mirror to check. I suppose if you're doing it yourself, I'm going to get my wife Jo to do mine. And these horrid looking things here, which I imagine you scrape your teeth with, which, yeah, I'm not sure about that. So what I'm going to do, I'll charge them up and we'll have a go and see if they work. So next on the list is the Smile Kit. Now all this stuff come under £20, so really, really cheap. Let's open that up. So there we go. Should have some, let's open it up, see what's inside. There we go. Got some more instructions here. I think that's to get your shaded teeth. You've got a smile, like a light. I imagine that goes in there once you put the fluids on. Got various different USB adapters, which is quite useful. So you can use your USB-A, USB-C, and it looks like, is that one there? Is that an iPhone one? I'm not sure. Open it under here, and these are the little things that you put on your teeth, I imagine. Yeah, they're like, you get them on there and you put them on your teeth and then you put this in. So we'll get it all charged up and we'll have a go. I'll do a before shot on my teeth and then do a after shot, and we'll see if it's made a difference. Well, I've got my glasses on because I'm doing something I don't normally do, and that's read instructions before using something. The reason being is something like this sharp, don't really want to be damaging my teeth. So I've read the instructions, it's very simple. You turn it on for 1.5 seconds and it powers on, like so. And then what you've got, I'll take my glasses off so I can't see them here, is you've got different power modes. So if you go through, there's all the different modes on there. Now what's interesting is, it doesn't do nothing until you put it on your teeth. So here goes. I'm a little bit nervous because I don't like the dentist. I don't like doing things to my teeth. If you look now, that's what my teeth look like at the minute. Not a pretty sight. So let's get into it and have a go. Right, the glasses are back on now. Here goes. Nothing. So I need to see what I'm doing. It's on. Lights on. Oh God. Now Now it says on the instructions that you're meant to move it up and down and horizontally, so carry on. It doesn't hurt, which is good. What I'm going to do is, I can't really see whilst looking at the camera, so I'm just going to get my phone and take a look, and then I'm going to increase the intensity if it doesn't look like it's cleaned anything. Actually, it looks like it's doing the job, so I'm just going to take it up one more to comfort zone. Now, if you press too hard on it, it turns off. So you haven't got to worry about overdoing it on your teeth. Okay, what I'm going to do is, it's really hard to see into the camera, so what you'll see is where I am to at this point, and then I'm going to look into a bigger mirror and do it, and then show you the results. Right, I've got myself a big mirror. I'm going to prop it up here and do the rest of my teeth. Okay, so far so good. I'm going to up it up a notch because I've got a bit right at the bottom there which is quite stubborn, so I'm going to go strong. See how that goes. What's interesting is I was worried it was going to hurt the gums, but it's actually, as soon as it gets to a gum, it just stops. Okay, that didn't take too long to do, so have a look, see what you think. That, to me, is pretty impressive. Now, a dentist, I was looking for quotes to get that done, and the cheapest I could find was £90. So that Temu gadget has saved me a few quid, and it's something I've always got and can always use. So yeah, in terms of out of 10, that's a solid 10 out of 10. Well worth the money. Like I said, I've put a link in the description, so if you do want to buy it, then follow that link and do as I said before, leave it in the basket, let it sit for a couple of days, and you'll get it really cheap. I'm going to try the Irrigator next now, the water flosser, and see how that works. So I've read the instructions, and these are as follows. This little brush here is for braces, if you've got braces. This one is a bag nozzle, it said. Don't even know what this is, I'm going to have to Google it. A periodontal bag nozzle specifically designed for cleaning periodontal bags. What the hell is one of them? I'm going to have to Google that to see that one, how that one works. The spoon, that's for your tongue, for cleaning your tongue. And this is your daily. This is your daily one, this one here. So I've got to put some water in here and then fire it up, see how it goes. So I can't see the glasses on. Right, so I've got my water. Pop this in, like so. Put the daily nozzle in. So that's sealed in, that's all in. So you've got 3 different power buttons there. You've got weak, strong and pulse. So let's have a go. Ooh. That's good, can't get it on. And that, oh. Oh shit. I'm gonna have to do it in the bathroom. Absolutely got soaked then. Oh God, Joe's gonna go mad when she sees the kitchen. Right, let's go to the bathroom. Okay, so I'm in the bathroom now. What I'm gonna do, I think you're meant to do it like that and not go like this. So I'll put it in my mouth. You have to hold it down for 1.5 seconds. It's a bit awkward that, because you've got to, your mouth is filling up with water and I weren't going to drink it, but it feels cold between my teeth, so it's definitely getting in there and cleaning your teeth. Let's try again. It's out of water. Whew. I think it's one of those things you've got to get used to, but it's definitely worked. I could definitely feel. So I did brush my teeth before I'd done the video, so I didn't want to show my teeth too manky. And that is actually, I feel like when I've eaten today, there's nothing in between my teeth. So in terms of this, for what it's cost, environmentally friendly because you're not using those plastic tooth flossers, I'm going to give that an 8 out of 10. Okay, the final part of my DIY dentistry is the smile clip. So I've got to say the teeth are feeling quite smooth and I'm feeling clean from the flossing machine. So this is the final touch now. So I'm going to read the instructions and see how we get on. Okay, I've read the instructions on this one as well. Let's get the glasses off so I can see you. Now this one is, I thought this might be cordless, but it isn't. But those little adapters, you can plug them into your phone and it will power this unit on. What I've got is I've got a battery. So I'll just sit there with the battery. You're meant to do it for 16 minutes. You apply these onto your teeth and then pop this in. So let's see how we do. Where is it? Ah, there we go. There's a little thing here, you twist it, it comes out. So let's get it on. I'm going to have to go back to the mirror, so I'll just start with this first. I can't really feel anything on there. Probably have to wait for the cards. So just bear me a second, I'm going to get this out. Okay, I've read the instructions again. You've got to twist this and then the gel does come out, but you have to twist it for quite a bit. So that's it, the gel is going on my teeth now. You see it coming up there. That's it. So okay, I'm going to talk a bit funny. I've got a load of gel in my mouth. So I've applied the gel. I'm going to put this in and give it 16 minutes. Right, turn this off. What was useful with this, it's on a 16-minute timer. I've moved into the other room because I was watching the telly whilst I was waiting for me teeth to whiten. So I'm just going to wipe them over now and see how they look. I'm not expecting excellent results from the first session. I imagine you've got to do quite a few to get a full benefit, but let's have a look. I can't really see into the camera, so I'm going to take a picture and see how they look side by side. Okay, so if you see the pictures side by side, as expected, I didn't see a massive difference. So I think it's one of those things you're going to have to do over the course. There's about 6 different pens to use, and I've probably only used not even half of the original pen, the first pen I had. So I'm going to see how it goes. So I'm not going to score this one until I've done a follow-up video of how the teeth whitening's gone. But overall, look at my teeth in this picture, look at them now. I think for what I've paid, it's come out pretty good and I'm pretty happy with the results. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, all the products are linked into the description. If you enjoyed the videos, please give us a like, please give us a subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.